I think something's wrong. It's raining. And we're not hiking. Who would have figured that? Hello, welcome to day 126.
Welcome to our zero.
It's the Bear Mountain Lodge. We're in the lobby. Well, not really a lobby, sitting area.
Sitting area, yep.
It's pretty cool.
It is. They got some really nice furniture in here.
Yeah, I'll flip it around. All the nice log and leather. Nice tables. Everything's got bears on it. Fireplace for the winter, that'd be a good time. As the bridge will be crossing tomorrow. It's a pretty cool place. Yeah, so there's the bridge. Got the bridge. That's the inn where we checked in. Beautiful looking place. Can't go there with pets. Guess that's the grizzly at the zoo. And that would be the monument we saw yesterday.
Bear Mountain.
Bear Mountain. Got your coffee. There a group of guys playing Clue last night. Sitting over there at the tables. It's a pretty cool place.
I love those lamps.
Yeah, very nice lamps. Nice. All right, nice sitting area outside. All fixed up? All right.
I think
we're good
so.
to
Oh, no, no, look at that. Oh,
we're
my
already
gosh.
we're already rolling. We're already rolling.
It's everywhere.
Well, we're at the end of the day about zero. Started off with pouring rain, so that's a plus on our side
Yeah.
for a change. Hasn't rained the rest of the day though. It's just been dreary out there,
Hey, I can see me.
right?
Wow. That was
So,
awful.
the lodge itself. My goodness, be serious for a change, would you?
I can't.
I know it. The the lodge itself is a great place.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
It's a little expensive, but it's a great place.
Mm-hmm.
If you can afford it.
It's worth it.
But I will say this, without a car, it is expensive. Because you got no access to food. So you got to either Uber Eats it or
Walk 2 miles.
walk 2 miles to somewhere.
Right.
And then doing a resupply, you had to get a taxi. And the taxi, it was cheaper for the taxi to wait for you at the supermarket.
Then to come back and get you.
So that ran you close to $80.
Yeah. It was easy, but it's not cheap.
No. So if you can block out the cost of it. Yeah, and that's only if you had a pet.
Right.
You could have gone almost anywhere without a pet. So this is the first difficult spot with a pet.
Yeah.
New
There
York,
may be a few more
New
coming
York,
up.
and it looks like maybe Connecticut might be. I don't know about Mass yet. I didn't look that far. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I got nothing but trouble the rest of the way. So
We're taking it day by day.
I know New Hampshire's okay. I know Maine looks pretty good. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. You're in a heavy populated area, so it makes things difficult over here.
Yeah. And it's a resort area, so
Right. It's a resort for all the city folk to come out to the woods.
yeah, and you're right near West Point.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do?
But we were able to get the resupply done.
Yes.
And if you only needed to get a little bit, or if you had enough food bag in your food bag and you decided to stay here, 5 miles up the road as we're heading up is the Appalachian Trail store,
That's right.
or the Appalachian Trail Market. They got light resupply.
Yeah.
But if you got a dog, I don't think that works out for you.
They probably don't carry dog food, but we won't know until we get there.
Yeah. So I can't say that they don't. But yeah.
But we're going there anyways.
Yeah, we gotta stop by it anyway because we didn't get a full resupply.
Yeah.
We got enough, and then that'll give us enough, and then we're deli hopping for 2 nights.
Mm-hmm.
Deli blazing because you're in New York and you got to do that.
Gotta do the delis.
We did the ice cream. Now we got to do the deli.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good.
So we got 2 nights at delis.
Yep, 2 nights, and we got hot weather coming. Hopefully the first 4 days will go all right, and that'll put us in Connecticut. If the first 4 go all right, and then we start getting into the heat, we can cut them short or 0 or whatever we got to do.
Whatever we need to do in order to keep us calm and keep the dog calm.
If we only hike till noontime, we only hike to noontime, whatever it is, because I'm not hiking in 95.
98, 99
Yeah.
they're showing.
Once you break 90, that's it. Bandit's good in the early morning. That's fine. If it's hot, forget it.
Mm-mm.
And I ain't going to do that to him.
He's gonna need a place to lie down and chill.
Yep. I'll be lying in the brooks with him.
As they say, when you're hiking with a dog, you hike their hike, not your hike.
Yep. So we'll take care of that. But we got everything we need. I got the Himalayan salt blocks all cleaned up. That would be our clothes. She washed them in the tub, and I get to be the drying machine with the hair dryer. But most of the slime's off, so that's a good thing.
Ooh, you didn't see that tub when I cleaned it.
I will say this segment was the dirtiest, slimiest, sweatiest.
I think they're all gonna be
saltiest.
getting pretty nasty now with the summer heat coming in.
Every time we zero, we walk out the door and it's raining. You put that raincoat on and it starts all over again.
We got 2 more days of potential rain.
I may not put the raincoat on. I don't know. We'll see.
I'm debating it.
We'll see. I say I'm not gonna, and then I put it on.
That's because you don't want to get into wet clothes. In the
Yeah, I
morning.
know. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm soaking wet anyway if I have the rain gear on.
Yeah, you dry it a little quicker though when it's not dripping.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
We'll have to see.
We'll play it by ear. I'll probably end up wearing it.
Yeah.
It protects my phone. I can at least keep the phone there so I can still video. If I don't wear it, I can't. I gotta put it in a bag, and then I can't get access to it.
Right.
And then I can't check the map. It becomes a whole thing. Ugh.
God, your life is so difficult.
I'm a drama queen.
Drama.
All right, we're gonna cut this short. It'll probably be a short video today. You guys get the gist of it. It was a clean-up day and chill out. I start to dry her up on the commercial breaks in the movies. I've learned how to relax and take a 0 finally.
There you go.
The last 3 we at least relaxed.
Yeah.
So
It was a good relaxing day.
that's a positive. Bandit slept till 2. He hadn't done anything till 2.
He's still kind of dozing around.
Yeah, he's eating and popping around and visiting people though.
Yeah.
He's visiting with the outsiders now. Alrighty, we're gonna call it there, and we're gonna hit the trail first thing in the morning.
All right.
Probably in the rain. If we'll see you then. Peace.